Hello and welcome. If you are a startup founder or a part of growing business, you know how important it is to stay organized, manage customer relationships effectively, and scale efficiently. But as business grow, managing leads, sales, and customer interaction can become overwhelming. In today's video, we will discuss how Buopso CRM can transform the way startups handle their operations from lead management to automation, sales tracking, and customer engagement. Let's dive in. Startups often face multiple challenges such as scattered customer data, keeping track of emails, calls, and meetings across multiple tools. And secondly, inefficient lead management, losing potential customers due to lack of follow-ups. And third, limited team collaboration, sales, marketing, and support teams working in silos. And scaling issues, outgrowing manual process but struggling with complex software solutions. Sound familiar? Let's see how Buopso CRM tackles these challenges. Buopso CRM is designed with startups in mind, offering an intuitive, scalable, and automation-driven solution. Here's how it helps. First, centralize customer data. With Buopso CRM, all your customer data, calls, deals, and notes are stored in one place. This eliminates scattered data and helps your team stay upgraded. Second, lead management and automation. No more lost leads. Buopso CRM captures leads automatically from websites and social media. You can set reminders for follow-ups, ensuring every potential deal is nurtured. Third, seamless team collaboration. With shared pipeline notes and real-time updates, your sales and marketing teams can work together effortlessly. Assign tasks, track deal progress, and boost efficiency. Fourth, workflow automation. Tired of repetitive tasks? Automate follow-ups, sequence, and reminders, freeing up time for strategic work. Fifth, real-time analytics and reports. Buopso CRM provides insightful analytics that helps startups measure scale performance, track KPIs, and make data-driven decisions. No guesswork, just growth. You might be wondering why Buopso CRM over other tools. Here's why. First, affordable and scalable. Designed for startups with flexible pricing. Second, user-friendly. No steep learning curve. Customizable, adapt workflows to fit your unique business model. Third, 24/7 support. Always there to help when needed. So if you are looking for a CRM that helps your startup save time, increase revenue, and scale effortlessly, Buopso CRM is the right choice. Don't let disorganized slow your growth. Take control today. Guys, start your free trial today. Visit buopso.com. And wait, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Drop your questions in the comments and we will be happy to answer. So, see you next time.